Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Marion. In today's video, I'm doing a try-on haul, first impressions of blue light filtered glasses from Zeelool. If you've never heard of Zeelool, they are an affordable yet trendy brand that offers an array of glasses, from prescription glasses to non-prescription glasses to sunglasses, blue light filter glasses. So Zeelool graciously gifted me 6 pair of glasses. I was able to pick 2 pair. Now these are non-prescription glasses. Like I said before, you do have the option of getting prescription glasses. But before I jump into this video, don't forget to subscribe. If you enjoy it, give it a big thumbs up, hit the notification bell, and without further ado, let's hop into it. So when you order from Zeelool, your glasses will come in this neat blue box. It says zeeloolee.com on the side, and then it'll say buy glasses at Zeelool. And I must say, shipping was very fast. I got my glasses within less than a week. In the package, it comes with microfiber cloth, to clean your glasses, and they give you a substantial amount. So I have 6 pair of glasses. I have 6 pair of microfiber cloths, and these will definitely come in handy. So on the microfiber cloths, it says Zeelool and then buy a Zeelool. Also in your package, it'll come with the PD ruler. And then of course, they want you to save some coins. So it comes with a $7 off coupon. Plus I do have a coupon code for you that I will list down below. That'll save you 10%. So let's get into what you came here to see, these trendy glasses. So it comes in these cute pouches, very durable. Based on the material, the cloth material, you'll be able to wash these pouches. And again, it says buy glasses at Zeelool and then Zeelool right here. So let's hop into the first pair. This is called Malcolm and it is in burnt umber. I like the style of these glasses. They are very durable, very stylish. So let's try them on. One thing I love about these glasses thus far is they're very comfortable. The side of the frame is thick. They're not hurting my ears. They're wide enough where they're not pressing into the side of my face. I definitely love that. They're comfortable around my nose, and the frame itself is just stunning. So these particular glasses are definitely something that I can rock to work every day. The color, in my opinion, is very universal no matter what you're rocking. So again, these are Malcolm. So let's move on to the next pair. These are called the Winston and purple floral. This is one of the frames that I picked. I wanted to do something a little bit different because typically I'm always rocking like a brown tortoise type of frame or just strictly black. But I feel like with this pop of purple, I'm just bringing a little style, a little pizzazz to my look. Again, it comes with the protective film. I cannot wait to try these on. The side of the frame is much thinner because, it's giving that elegant, luxury, bougie look. Oh yeah. Yes, I really love the way these feel. These are the most comfortable glasses that I've ever worn that has like the metal frame. Oh my goodness. And I'm liking the way I look in these. Do you see how gorgeous these frames are? These glasses are stunning. Like I said, if you wear prescription glasses and you're looking for something affordable and trendy, you need to check these out. These also come in different colors, so you don't have to get the purple floral. If you want something a little bit more like neutral looking, there are options. They have plenty of options on their website. But I stepped out of my comfort zone, and I'm actually glad that I did. So moving on to the next pair. These are called Kiana. Definitely something out of the norm for me, the shape of these glasses. But you know, your girl is gonna try them out. You know, I'm not afraid of a challenge, and they're very stylish. When I looked at them, I was like, okay, I see. I can definitely rock these. I was a little bit nervous, but honestly, So tell me what you think about Kiana. I'm telling you, I will be going to work looking stylish, changing up my glasses every day. Basically walking in there as a new woman, okay? These are so comfortable. Like I said, on the side, it's not pressing my face in. They're not hurting the back of my ear. These even have a nose guard to protect from the metal frame. So I feel like Zeelool, you know, took everything into account. Trendy, looking stylish, but also comfortability, okay? Now, this is another style that I picked. This is Peyton in clear. I wanted to, you know, try something clear, simple, also has metal frame, but they're so cute. I like the shape of these glasses, and they also come in different colors. All of these, like I said before, come in different colors. So if you feel like you can't rock the Kiana in red, trust me, they have other options. If you don't want to rock Peyton in clear, trust me, they have other options. Off the bat, these are very lightweight. They're simple and classy, yet stylish. You know, I'm feeling myself. I'm letting you know right now. I am feeling myself. I have been checking out glasses on Zeelool for a very, very long time, and all of their frames are so stunning. Sometimes I'm like, can I really rock that? And I have to tell myself, girl, you can rock anything. And me trying these out today is basically letting me know I can rock anything. Again, they are comfortable to wear. They are not pressing into the side of my face. They're comfortable around the nose. The next pair is called Rods. This is like a emerald green, like a sophisticated green, and it has like gold, a little gold trim on the side. These are also metal frame, but if they're like the other ones, I know that they're going to be very comfortable. And I love the fact that this isn't a solid black. As I said before, they're very comfortable. I'm loving the rhinestone detail design on the frames. Very trendy, very chic. And I feel like with these glasses, you can rock them to work, or you can rock them, you know, hanging out with your friends or going on a date because of this beautiful detail on the frame. So definitely loving these. Tell me what you think about Rods. They also come in a different color as well. Now, last but not least is a new frame that Zeelool will be introducing, and this is Diva Party Queen, and it's giving just that. I mean, look at them. Look at the style. It has the diamond frame, and these are classic square frames, like with an aviator look. And aviator look is trendy now. It is definitely in, and let's try them on. So let's get into Diva Party Queen. The color is immaculate. It is shining from every angle. The classic square frame with the aviator style is on brand, on trend. And the diamonds. Check out the diamonds in the frame. Glistening, shiny, flawless, very stylish. The metal frame on the side of my face, like the other glasses, are very comfortable. And I just love the fact that I am stepping out of my comfort zone and trying new colors that I would never think to try out. So tell me, what do you think about Diva Party Queen? How do they look on me? So please let me know which one was your favorite down below in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Do not forget to subscribe. If you have glasses from Zeelool, let me know as well, or any other styles that you have been checking out. Don't forget, I have a discount code, Marian80, that will save you 10%. So don't forget to take advantage of that. Also, hit the notification bell. And as always, thank you for watching.
Baby, you give me